Guys, listen up. Valentine's Day is right around the corner. That's a day that you cannot forget. And it's a day you really need to make special. Your loved one sure will appreciate it. We welcome in Julie Lair from Do It Yourself Louisville, and she has a unique idea for us, a crafting idea to make a special gift for your special someone this Valentine's Day. Good morning, Julie.
Good morning.
And you say it all starts with a box of matches.
Right, box of matches. You can buy these at, I got these at Kroger, so you can buy them at the grocery store or, you know, like Walgreens or something like that.
And they're pretty inexpensive.
Very inexpensive. A pack of 10 costs $1. So this is a very inexpensive project, especially you probably already have some of the supplies that you need to decorate them at home. And what we've decorated them with is colored paper. We have some pretty Valentine paper here, ribbons, stickers, anything that you have at home. You can even use white paper and let kids draw on it, right? You know, to from their classmates or whatever. It's a really simple project. And then inside you can put some chocolates or some stickers, some little, you know, toys or something like that. So we'll get started. So I have some paper cut here for you the size of the matchbox, and this is size 2x4. I measured out the matchbox size, but your matchboxes might be a little different, so you'll measure that at home.
You pretty much just put standard glue all the way around.
Yep, I'm using glue all the way around the matchbox on all sides.
All right. You know what I love about your crafting segments is you use just common household items, things that are easy to find.
Yes, well, we want people at home to feel like this is something that they can also make and not have to run out and buy a lot of things to make them. Okay, so you're wrapping that around. Going to get a good seal there with the glue. The glue stick should dry pretty quickly. Just make it as tight as you can.
Okay, probably need more glue.
And when you get to the corner, when you get to the corner, then you can put a little more there, and you know, get a good seal there. Okay. So you can see how easy that is, and kids could definitely do this too.
It's not perfect, but Julie, it's a start.
That's okay. That's okay. Handmade things aren't always perfect, so that's great. And then, you know, we have some ribbons here that you can put on there, some stickers if you want to put a sticker on the top of it.
All right, I'm going to put one of our little ribbons here.
Okay. Let's see. This is a cute one. It just says "Be Mine." It's already printed on the ribbon there.
Be Mine.
Yeah.
I like it. Good choice.
And
this is a great idea for kids to want to take these
how about a cute heart sticker right on top?
For the classmates. All right, give me a cute heart sticker on the top.
There you go.
And voila.
There you go. And then you can open the box and put a piece of chocolate in there. Every lady loves chocolate, so I highly recommend that you put chocolate in your boxes.
Well, listen, before you put it in the...
Or diamonds.
Diamonds, huh?
Uh-oh, you can't eat the chocolate. You're supposed to give it to your
chocolate
Valentine.
before I put it in the box. I need to make sure that it's okay. All right, tell me about an event you have coming up, Julie.
Yes, on February 2nd, it's our monthly DIY Louisville meetup. We're going to be meeting, and we're going to be making these cute boxes. You can come and join us. You can find the information for that and the cost on my website, DIYLouisville.com.
All right. You can also find a link on our website to her website. You figure it all out, WDRB.com. All right, Julie, always good to see you. Thank you so much for this gift idea. I think I might try this year.
Thanks.